Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create another program that will ask the user to give base number and exponent number, and then our program will compute the power of a number using Microsoft Visual FoxPro. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my new subscribers in my channel. Thank you for watching, supporting, and most importantly by subscribing. I hope that you enjoy every video that I posted in my channel. I would like to shout out Sir Ernil, Marshmallow, and Ma'am Robelin. If you want to be shout out in my channel, just leave your name and then put the word shout out. So let's get started. I'm using Microsoft Visual FoxPro 9. Okay, so we have here enter base number, label, text a base, text box, enter exponent number in our form, another label, and then we have here another text box, text a exponent, another label, label the result, text a result. We make it this one read only, no? So in FoxPro we should read only true, no? And then we have here three text box: compute, clear, and quit. So in the compute, we will double click this form, text value equals val, we convert to integer. This form text base that value circumflex or caret, this symbol will allows us to perform the computation of power of a number in Visual FoxPro. Val txt exponent that value, and then it will display in the txt result text box here that is read only. Now in the clear button, we have here text form that txt base value equals double quotation free space, this form text exponent that value double quotation, this form text result that value double quotation, and then this form text base set focus. It will return here the cursor. And then for the quit button, we have here this form that release, no? It will our form will be terminated, but we don't quit in Microsoft Visual FoxPro. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Okay, let us run. Okay, so enter base value, we have 2. We have the exponent value, we have 4. Click here, compute button, click here to compute the power of number in our tooltip. So we have 16. Click here to clear the text box, so it allows us to give a new set of value. We have 5 and 6 and 5. We have your 3125. Click here to clear the text box. We have 6. We have 2. Click the compute button. We have 36. We can clear. We can have 8. We can have 3 in the exponent number. Click compute, we have 512. Click here to clear the text box. Okay, and then when we click the quit, our program will be terminated. So that's it. Now we were able to create in a single line of code, we can compute the power of the number in Microsoft Visual FoxPro. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video on how to create power a number in Microsoft Visual FoxPro. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you do like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.